What's up, guys? Chris Jordan here, and I'm making this video to give you guys some insight on my trade today. Today is what, October 21st, and I go on vacation and on the 26th. But anyways, I wanted to give you some value in the sense of how and why I took this trade and why I took a buy over a sell. Number one, we're still in the uptrend on NQ. As you can see, I'm up 500 on the day. I could have doubled this easily or tripled this um, on this combine. So basically, what I saw when I got on here, because I literally looked at the market 5 minutes before 8:30, and usually if I see like a bunch of green candles or a bunch of red candles, I'm probably looking for it to retrace and then go up again. But I literally just had the feeling that okay, it's a Monday. Even though it's going up, it has a strong move up. It's a Monday. I think it's going to a bunch of buyers are just going to flood the market, and that's literally all that happened. And what I was really looking for, I can move this out the way. I was really looking for, I need this line for price to break above this little wick right here. And once I felt like it broke above this wick or got close enough to this wick, I felt like it was going to shoot up, and that's exactly what it did. Um, so this is sort of like what I talk about, where I say trading with intuition, uh, and trading enough to where you get the intuition to kind of feel where the market is going. And so literally, I took a mini, uh, E mini size of one, and then I took a size of one on NQ, regular NQ. And like I said, I could have stayed in this until it got all the way up here. So there was really no real strategy in place. Um, because obviously, ideally, I would have liked to take the trade somewhere down here in this area. Um, and even right now, like if I wasn't done trading, I would be looking for a sale up here. But it's already kind of crossed that. Even though it hasn't closed below this, and the wick has gotten above these highs, recent highs, I would kind of be looking for a sale, and I would probably, have like a pending order somewhere right here if it comes down. But I would be watching this candle because this is a strong move up, so it might continue up until we get to this level. And like I said, the reason I'm sharing this video is to give you some insight onto how I trade. Like I said in previous videos, I trade key levels, um, and that's my main strategy: trading key levels, trading sometimes like breakup structures, uh, or breakouts. I could trade this because I feel like it's gonna continue up, but I'm done on the day. I'm up 500. I'm not gonna risk the 500 I made for today and be greedy. I've learned that the hard way, right? And I use a lot of intuition, and that's what I've been saying on my YouTube channel recently, even though I've barely been posting, and I've been saying on my Twitter mainly. You have to start trading enough to where you can use intuition in the market and kind of get a feel for where it's going. Because once you kind of get that feel for where it's going, it's sort of like a sixth sense in the market. Once you start getting that feel for everything, it makes trading a lot easier. It makes it not so much mechanical in a sense. Because sometimes, like when I used to trade strictly off of strategy, uh, not strategy, but rules like key level, you got to do this, do that, do this. It made my trading too strict, and when it didn't read my specific set of rules, I felt like I missed out on trades. Where if I would have just trusted myself and took the trade, I would have made a ton of money. Now, on top of this, I entered about right here and trusted the process. What I do have to work on is staying in trades longer. So once it got up here, because I did feel like it was going to reject somewhere in this area. Let me actually, well, maybe I shouldn't use a line. I should use a box. I felt like it was gonna reject somewhere in this area because I seen these wicks and everything. So I felt like these were areas of like liquidity, blah blah, blah, whatever you want to call it, right? As you see, it's kind of selling off. There's a minute left, so it may sell off hard. There is news at 10, so it may sell off hard, come down here, and then push back up again, or it may just sell off and then shoot back up. But once it got to this area, I was looking for it to kind of sell off a little bit, which it did. So I got out for it hit my TP before I had to move my stop loss into profit. But I need to do a better job of holding trades longer. That's sort of my weakness as of now. But as far as like feeling the direction of where the market is going, knowing where it's going, and building that skill set, I feel like I'm getting way better. And the crazy part is, I'm not actually back testing nonstop. I'm just live demo trading. Uh, Really not even live demo trading, besides the combine, because the combine is basically live demo trading. Uh, Live demo trading, and then I have my forex account on the side that I'm trading. So, I'm barely, literally, I'm barely. Dang, look at that! I looked away for like 5 seconds and shut up. So literally, I'm doing less, but being more successful. And this is sort of like the other thing where I haven't really talked about on this channel, but I've talked about it on Twitter, where it's convincing your subconscious mind that you are good at trading or at whatever skill set you have. Because once you start convincing your subconscious mind, like, dang, I'm actually good at this. I know what I'm doing. Uh, I know that I'm a good trader. Your brain starts to believe that, and that has to be reflected into reality. And a great way to really show yourself that you know what you're doing is get a live account, whether it's a forex or a futures account with Top Step. Start trading and literally go on the chart, mark up where you got into the trade, see where the trade goes, hit this camera button, copy the link, post it in your Discord or in your journal, or wherever your journal is or whatever, and then comment in the Discord the reason you took the trade. And you don't even have to do that sometimes. But comment the reason you took the trade, why you took the trade, why you feel like that was the trade to take. And then over time, like I have two Discords with let's see if it opens up correctly. I have two Discords, so I have my trading journal, blah blah. I have my wins and losses. These are the two I mainly use the most. All my wins go in here, right? My losses go in here. Trust yourself. Look at it. Blah 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 blah. Right? And I literally every week, like Sunday, I literally just go in here and look at everything. Sometimes my wins have no comments. I'm just looking at the chart, seeing like, okay, this is what I want. Got out fast with a quick scalp. Quick scalp. I seem to be good at scalping. Took a trade, left for the gym. I'm better at setting and forgetting it. So that's probably a way for me to overcome staying in trades longer. But then if I look at my losses, I know exactly why I lost. Try to force a trade, but won the second one, still down 400. That was October 16th. So that was the day I did my last video. But we're up on that account. Blew my account. So this was another Top Step account that I blew. Market wasn't going anywhere, just going back and forth. When trading, nothing is there. Look at oil, gold and oil. I have older ones, but it's probably in this section or whatever. Lost today, huge loss, blah, blah, blah. And mind you, these are on trading combine accounts. These aren't on Forex accounts. Because Forex, I'm better at managing risk or whatever. And futures, I'm better. But you have to constantly get that feedback, have that feedback loop to become a better trader. But I just want to make this video just to give you guys some value, because maybe my thoughts will help you. Maybe they won't. Maybe this video is a waste of time, but I'm going to post it anyway and send it to my newsletter, people on my newsletter. If you're interested in talking about trading, self-discipline, blah, 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 manifestation, click the link down in the description below, or follow me on X where I kind of talk about these things. But if you're on my newsletter, I'm going to start releasing exclusive trading content to help people, and what's been helping me. But that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.